Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We've got a big breaking news now coming in. Now we are learning that the Indian Coast Guard conducted an unprecedented swift night operation rescuing 11 precious lives in a coordinated sea air search and rescue operation. MV ITT Puma reportedly sank 90 nautical miles south of Sagar Island while on passage from Kolkata to Port Blair. Indian Coast Guard ships Sarang and Amog along with the CG Dornier aircraft undertook this operation in extremely inclement sea conditions. To bring you more details with regards to that, we have CNN News 18's Akash Sharma joining us on the broadcast. In fact, over this news piece, Akash, a very good morning to you. Please walk us up to speed over the happenings from last night.
Right. So this was a daring operation by the Indian Coast Guard, where we are learning that they have rescued 11 individuals, who were there on board this merchant vessel ITT Puma that reportedly sank near Sagar Island off the West Bengal. This vessel was actually going towards Port Blair, and we are learning that during that time a distress call was received, and Indian Coast Guard ships Sarang and Amog, along with a Dornier aircraft of the Coast Guard, were employed for the task, and 11 individuals, have been successfully rescued from that particular vessel. That vessel sank 90 nautical miles away from the island that is a very part of West Bengal. So this was, an operation by the Indian Coast Guard that was launched midnight, and 11 lives have been saved.
Right, Akash, and what do we know about the sea condition at that point of time? Because we are saying that these operations were conducted in extremely inclement sea conditions.
Right. So you see, whenever it is about, high tides or sort of commotions in the sea, we see a normal, operations by the resident forces. In this case, Indian Coast Guard, is very much deployed in the area. The officers, who are aware of the development tell us that, this was a distress call, and it was received, the incident happened because of the technical malfunctioning possibly. And, yes, it was a typical operation. It was a difficult operation, but definitely Indian Coast Guard has in fact rescued these 11 individuals, Sakshi.